Hi everyone, so this time I'm here with another tutorial, but it will be like some full web development type things. Like here I am showing like how I actually make this landing page for the collaborators or some creators. It will be fun, interactive, and some informative as well. So let's jump into it, and I will break down everything. So this will be our new desktop artboard, and I actually make this one around 1713 and make the layout stack from top to bottom, and then can make the gap 0, and then I actually put the header part. This header part actually containing some elements, so something like this, some font text, some text and some icons as well. You just need to make some components and variable and just put everything inside the header. Like I make the header the full width, so it's actually full width. It will be full width and your height will be fit, so that it will contain everything and in a responsive way. And just put all the components, some the components inside it, and make the direction from left to right, and make the distribution center and gap around 12, and I make some paddings here. You can do that by yourself the way you want, and just put inside the desktop. And I am making the desktop color a little bit off-white so that it can differentiate the color between it. And then our header titles parts, this one, heading titles, and I'm putting this inside here. So you can see this one actually containing all the things, this row container. And inside the row I create another container that's actually containing the heading text, subtext, and another container that actually containing this one, like this one, and another column that the background will be some container, and inside it there is a text and another container with text. So yeah, that's something like this, and another button for call to actions. And I am making this around viewport, something like 14 viewport, and make the header this one around fixed, so that it will keep everything similar. And then this one cards, putting it inside the desktop part, and make the desktop fit contain, and make the heading part around 40, and this one will be 60. So yes, I think it's done. Yeah, something like this. So for now, make this fill so that it can fill everything inside it, and I think it's complete at this moment. So yeah, it's working. And you can make some changes there as well, so that it can contain everything's something like this. But for the effect part, when I hover it, I actually use hover effect and make the y offset 10, and for I actually uh, applied all the same effect for these cards. And for this buttons on header parts, I actually make those things scaling inside a little bit, like 0.9, so that it will work something like this. So yeah, that's it. Have a good day.